I'm just gonna keep going for these $100 bills. Sometimes it slips through, sometimes it doesn't. You just gotta get lucky. There we go. Got another one. Stay in there. Nice. We got another dollar too. That's $101 in one grab. Yo, what is going on, Joy fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your Joy Boy back at it again. Guys, I'm at Zap Arcade today playing this prize palace claw machine, and you will not believe what I found inside. Yes, it is real cash. These stacks of bills do look deceiving because it looks like there's a bunch of $100 bills, but after investigating and looking a little bit closer, you can see that it's actually just a $100 bill and then a bunch of ones. I'm gonna see if I can win some of these stacks of bills. Now, the big downside to playing this prize palace is that it's $5 a play. So it's gonna be really tough to try to win my money back. It's almost like gambling. Honestly, it kind of feels like the casinos, but I wanna try it out. Let's go ahead and put a $5 bill in this claw machine and see if we can win anything. What's great about this claw too is it has grips on it, so hopefully it'll pick up this stack of cash here. I'm not sure. Ooh, maybe. Oh, I don't know. That's tough. That looked kind of weak. I don't know if that will pick it up or not. All right, so let's go ahead, insert a $5 bill for one try. I'm gonna go for the same one. I feel like if I line it up a little better than last time, it might help. Let's see. These are angles here. Looks good. Oh, that's dead on. It's gotta have it. Oh, what? That was weak. I don't know. That was super weak. That didn't even grab it. Let's go ahead and insert another $5 bill. I'm gonna try one more time. So let's go for a different one. Maybe a lighter one, preferably. Ooh, doesn't go over that much. I don't know. These bills look super tough. I've played other prize palace claw machines just like this one, and they're usually a lot easier, but oh, that one actually wasn't bad. That almost had it. At least it picked it up a little bit. I might try for it again. Let's try for this one right by the chute. So if it does pick it up, it might just fall in by luck here, but let's try it. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, I got $1. No way. Wow, I just picked up a bill. Wait. Oh, maybe I can get these $100 bills. No way, that would be insane. Wait, if I can win $1, then I can definitely win these $100 bills. Guys, I might just go for that because these stacks are way too heavy to get picked up. And honestly, $100 is super worth it. Like, even at $5 a play, it's like I can still make money by just winning these. I'm gonna go for it. Come on, will it grab it? Yes! Oh my God, I got $100 in one grab. Look at that. No freaking way. Oh look, $1 got stuck. It's okay. I'm not even tripping. As long as it's $1 that got stuck. Look at this, I got $102 in one grab. These stacks are super heavy, and I see how they make it rigged by just making this money a little too heavy for the claw, because this claw is super weak. But I didn't know that you can actually go for just the bills themselves. The only bill it's worth going for in here is $100 because there's some fives in here, but it's $5 a play, so you wouldn't make any money even if you won. But that's crazy. I'm gonna actually just go for these bills. Let's see how many there are. 1, 2, 3, plus mine. That's $400 in this machine. That's not bad. I want to keep going. This dollar is like annoying me. Look how close it is to my hand, and I can't grab it. I wonder if it would fall if I just kind of like. No, I guess not. Well, maybe I'll grab it later. We'll see. Come on, $100 bill. 2 in a row. Let's go. Nice. Let's go, baby. Another Benjamin. Oh gosh, I thought that was a $100 bill. It's not. Let's go, baby. Awesome. These are super easy to win. I think I can win these in a row. Okay, there's 2 more. I'm so inserting more money in this machine. You know what, guys? Because I'm winning so much, I'm just gonna go ahead and insert a $10 bill. It'll give me 2 tries. All right, we got 2 tries on there. Let's see, is this one too far over? Ooh, it might be. Oh, I don't know. This one I might have to put my swing move on. The swingy dingy. Let's see, for $5, can I win it? Oh my God, oh, I can win it now. I can definitely win it now. That is up in the air. That's a perfect position right there. Let's see if we can win $100 with just $10. That would give us $90 profit, some simple math. Let's see. Right there, come on. Yes, yes, please. Oh, what was that? Yo, did you guys see that? That was screwed up, man. I don't know how it knew there was money inside the claw, but it totally just opened up and dropped it. Let's see if we can get this one too. That's perfect. Couldn't be better. Oh, and it still slipped out. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna try for this $100 bill again. I can't just leave it in the middle here, so if it'll grab it. Oh my gosh, that thing is strong. All right, I'm gonna go for it again. I'm gonna actually just go for the stack, and whichever one, if I don't grab the stack, I might be able to get the bill, so we'll see in this try. Ooh, I don't know. Oh my gosh, I almost grabbed the $100 bill out of there. I did not even know you could do that. What the heck? Yo, this claw machine's insane. Like, at first I really thought it wasn't that good, but the more I start playing it, the better I'm feeling. I'm gonna insert another $5. I'm thinking I can actually grab this out of the stack here. I'm gonna go a little bit to the right, see if I can win both maybe? I don't know. Oh, it still doesn't have enough strength to grab these stacks, but I am more than confident I can win possibly both these $100 bills and that $100 bill as well. Yes, there we go. Come on, $300. Oh my gosh, that was insanely close. Oh, I almost had it. That was inches away from the prize chute. Wow, that was close. I gotta try that again. Another $10 going in. Oh, that was so close. At this point, I spent a lot of money on this one, so I probably won't be making that much money, but I should be able to turn a small profit, because I know I haven't spent $100 yet, so let's try that. Maybe. Oh my gosh, oh, I got it. Stay, yes, let's go. Another $100. Guys, that was crazy. I almost grabbed that stack too. What the heck? Yo, this is super lit. Guys, is this real? I want to make sure, like, in the light, it looks real. I'm pretty sure these have to be real. I'm gonna go for this bill over here. As long as it doesn't stab anything, that's perfect. That's where I wanted it. Oh, we got $6. Let's go. Oh, let's go. I don't even know how much money that was. Let's see, $5, $6, $7, $8. Not bad. I mean, we made $3 there, so that's not bad. There's some profit money right there. I'm just gonna keep going for these $100 bills. Sometimes it slips through, sometimes it doesn't. You just gotta get lucky. There we go. Got another one. Stay in there. Nice. We got another $1 too. That's $101 in one grab. What the heck? Let's go, baby. Add that to our little stack right here. This one might be the last one because I've been spending a lot of money, and the last one, second to last one I went for, I wasn't sure if I could win, but maybe this one? Oh, now I can get it. All right, so I put a $20 bill in. Hopefully I can win this $100 with that $20. Maybe I can even win more, I'm not sure. This claw machine is tricky. Sometimes you can win easily, sometimes you can't. It's really the luck of the draw here, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep playing, but I know I gotta win this last bill. He's all by himself. I can't leave Mr. Benjamin alone. Oh, maybe. Oh! I got $1. Wow. All right. Well, Sweet, I guess. Right there. Come on. Oh my gosh, that stack of bills kind of got in the way, actually. I'm not really sure how you're supposed to win these, but if you're supposed to grab the stack completely and not the bills, well, I guess this is a hack. So let's see if we can win this last one. Walk away with over $500 here from this machine. Can we do it? Come on, stay in there. $100 bill, last one. Let's go. Last $100 bill in here. That looks possible to win. Holy cow, that's a lot of money. I believe that's over $500 we've won. Let's see, I'm gonna sort out all the $100 bills. That's 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 500 and some ones. Looks like $512. 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it looks like $13. So that makes $513. I got one try left on here out of that $20. Let's see. I'm just gonna go for a stack and see if I can get crazy lucky on my last try here. Let's see if it'll even pick it up. Come on. Oh, that's tough. That's super tough. I might come back. This was a lot of fun playing this machine. I cannot believe how much money I won. This is definitely worth playing. Well, if you guys enjoyed it, make sure you like the video down below. Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, links are in the description as always, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.